Okay, so yeah, like I said, I do see longs, and the reason I'm seeing longs today is purely because if you look at the fundamentals, right, we're expecting the average hourly earnings month on month to come in higher than forecast. I'm sorry, higher than previous. The forecast is zero point 0.3, previous was 0.1. So this is already telling us that actual should be greater than, if the actual is greater than the forecast, or sorry, if actual is in line with the forecast or greater, we should see price, or we should see the dollar go up, right? If you're looking at the non-farm employment change, the number that we're looking out for is a 66,000 in employment versus a previous of 64,000. 64,000 was previous. Should we come in higher than that and in line with estimate, then again, bullishness for the dollar, as you can see. So that's the number of employed people during the previous month, excluding the farming industry, right? Unemployment claims, unemployment claims yesterday. What was yesterday's one? It came in, I think it was, yeah, 208. So unemployment yesterday came in softer than forecast, which was pretty decent in terms of what we're looking for today. So unemployment rate, again, they're expecting the unemployment rate to drop, which should be in line with what we saw yesterday. Um, it dropped by 0.1%, guys. So we are looking at bullishness throughout all three. And on the technical side of things, we are anticipating longs. And obviously, if you've been following what we've been trading over the last couple of days and the setups that we've taken this week, we've obviously tapped into, I'm going to break it down for you why I'm still long on this. Um, we have tapped into the daily FEG, as you can see down below. We've had yesterday's high sitting up above here, which also wasn't taken as yet. So we had yesterday's high sitting at that area. The previous day's high was sitting above here. So 49,800, I'm going to mark that out, level to watch out for. 49,800, guys. 40, 49, sorry, 49,870, somewhere there. That's the level we're looking at as initial, obviously, targets. This was a raid on previous sell side, which was sitting down here. There was a 4-hour low that was sitting there. There was a 15-minute FEG, which we bought off yesterday. So I'm expecting the daily candle to obviously expand higher, perhaps retest these highs up above. So on the daily, my bias is already telling me that I should be looking for buys. If you look at the current 1 hour, this was the impulse. This has been the correction. We should see another impulse back up into this area here, which is an area of imbalance. We've got that high resting above there. If you look at the 4 hour quickly, again, what I didn't like, or what I noticed this morning, was that the 4 hour hasn't tapped into this FEG. So that's the only downside to what we are looking at today. So there is a possibility that we can get a spike into that area and then a move up, but I'm still leaning more towards an initial buy, especially if those numbers come in line with what's forecasted. Again, sell side taken, buy side sitting above, imbalance area sitting here. This could be what we know as a head and shoulder trap. So we could be getting left shoulder, head, right shoulder. A lot of people will look at this and perhaps sell at this area. I'm gonna go the opposite today. I'm gonna be looking at a long into these highs. Drop down to the 15 and the lower time frames. You can see we've got an area here now that's about to form or should form shortly. We've got this area here, which is our FEG on the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute FEG, nothing really. This one's been tapped in, which is perhaps why price hasn't drawn into that 4-hour FEG, because the lower FEGs in that area have been tapped into. There is one down below at this area, maybe perhaps mark that up, but that's a bit low down. I do believe if we are to buy, it will continue from where it is currently. based on this, what we're seeing right now, and then a run up into those highs and potentially take out this one above here. So where is this? I'm gonna mark this out here. Okay, so that's my targeted area. One would be in this FVG here. Targeted area two is on that high. I don't know why people keep calling me at this time. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at, guys. Um, Hopefully we get a pullback of some sort now in the next couple of minutes into this area, and then we can capitalize on that entry. Remember, if you are taking the trade with us, you should only be risking what you can afford to lose. We have smashed the market throughout the week, so you should be only taking some of your profits and risking that. Like I always say, you have fund an amount you're willing to risk or lose, and then you can basically full margin that on this trade. That's how I trade news. I'm not telling you to do the same. This is not financial advice. This is purely my trade that I'm sharing with you guys. So yeah, don't do as I say. But yeah. All right. Yeah. Who's looking at buys? Who's looking at sells, guys? Let us know. Let us know. Who's looking at buys? Who's looking at sells? The fuck keeps calling me at this time? Yo. Sorry about that, guys. People keep fucking calling me at this time. Okay, yo, this thing's already pushing here. Fuck. Yo, HFM offers got us up there, boss. Fuck.
Aye.
Aye, Blake. Blake, how you can put us on TV there, boss? Fuck. Putting the pressure on me here, boss. On me. Fuck.
Blake got the whole office trading.
All right, all right, all right. Guys, I want to see price pull into this area. Um, Bro, we buying or selling? I don't know why the guys are asking if we're buying or selling. Come, guys. We did the breakdown already. Told you guys what time I was starting the live. Guys should have been ready and on. I'm not gonna break this down again. Guys, fingers crossed we get this pullback into here. Fingers crossed. Otherwise, we're gonna be forced to enter quite high here. Yeah. It's crazy. Still a little bit early. I'd like to enter at about 20 past or so. iPhone says, hello, my prices of US 30 and yours are different. Guys, oh, I'm, I'm just not going to say anything today. Fuck. Yeah, fuck this thing. It's already going, boss. Well, should give some sort of a pullback though, yeah. Someone's asking what you think of Nasdaq. Haven't looked at Nas. I'm not trading Nas. I'm trading US 30. Shakil, why don't you go back to Telegram and send signals? What are you talking about? Is this live more effective? What are you talking about? Mohammed iPhone. Yo, no, yo. Blake says, remember, if you buy and sell at the same time, you can't lose. Stop teaching them to scam, boss. Where's this other thing? Oh yeah. Ah, who's under pressure? Who's under pressure? Like in the past, you used to send signals on Telegram, but now you do lives. What are you talking about, bro? We still, yes, yes.
Telegram is
Anyways, yeah, anyway. Azim says, my heart is pounding. Who's using, guys asking who's using MT4? Whose heart's pumping or pounding? Anybody else feeling the nerves, feeling the pressure? Anybody else? Now let's smoke it, guys. Let's smoke it. Let's smoke it. Let's milk it. Milk it, milk it. I'm already on the toilet, Joash Frank says. Hopefully some pounding tonight if all goes well. Nice one, Scott M. Uh, yeah, Shak, do you see NAS going up as well? I haven't analyzed NAS, guys. Sorry. Hey, where's Stella? Is Stella here? Stella? My phone's a bitch. Yo, why the fuck don't I see you on this live? Why the fuck don't I see you on this live, boss? It's fucking playing, Guzzy. Come. Full margin mafia, boss. I hope you wore the t-shirt today.
Okay. So,
All right, we're gonna do this, huh?
yeah. Bye.
Guys, I laugh. This thing fucks us.
Yo,
Yo, what is the first NFT of the year? But it's fucking high right now. Yo, yeah. What to do, guys? What to fucking do?
like the Blake said, buy and sell at the same. Oh,
I think the same will go, but
it's very bullish project. Yes.
yeah. So I'm gonna start adding, guys. I'm gonna start adding. If it pulls back, I'm gonna add more. It is very, very bullish. Oh, I don't like that it's so close to this fucking previous day's high. Fuck. Fuck. I'm hoping that just before it fucking spikes. Guys, if it pulls back, we're gonna start adding more. And we will continue to add until it's time. Obviously, don't over leverage until it's closer to time. You know the story. Because you still need to survive. It's like, what's it, 8 minutes now? We need to survive 8 minutes, guys. Okay, let's watch this area here. Might get a spike into this area. You can add more on that area. That's the 1 minute FEG here. How many the thing allowed you to enter a lot?
No.
Huh?
Uh-uh.
What you mean?
Now half a lot.
No ways.
Some.
Talking cock. How is mine allowing me?
Let's check. The size.
You sure you got the same one,
Yeah. Okay. Oh.
huh? All right, so I'm gonna start adding more here. No, I'm getting frozen here. Not on thing, Yeah, I can hear you fucking adding that.
0.1.
Full margin, boss. Just fucking keep pressing. No, I mean like fucking
Yeah, no.
like this now. So on the 15, it might still spike either here or here, guys. On the 15. Hopefully it can do something now ahead of time. How's Nasdaq and gold is there? Gold should break out. I don't know, hopefully. Nasdaq pull back a bit. Right. This is definitely a harder one because prices obviously gone quite up. See the guys saying they're cucking themselves. We're all in the same boat here, guys. Should have about 2 minutes left. Yeah, pretty much full margins almost. Fuck, this mother's fucking didn't let me add, yeah. Oh, that's full margin deal. Fucked up. That fucked up. Full margin, bro. Full margin. Let's do this. Let's fucking do this, bro. Got 18, 17 seconds, guys. Fuck, here goes. Here goes, here goes. Did we send that signal, eh?
10,
Yeah, I think I've sent it.
5, 4, 3.
Fuck, that went. Yo. Same. Bank, guys. Bank, 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 please. Small, small, small move, but you can bank, you can bank, you can bank, you can bank. Fuck. Bulk operation. Fuck. Didn't have the bulk on, boss. Not sure, I mean, on thing. Guys, please bank. I've taken some off. I'm just holding a few runners here. Okay, that's still, guys, you should be still up, guys. Should be still up. Should be up. Very small move, guys, unfortunately. Very, very, very small move. Yo, the most I saw was like fucking Almost 30K there. W's, you should still be blues, guys. That should be W's in the chat. Small move was about 1,000. What is it? Not even. Fuck.
What 600? Close to 600.
Okay, I see some of the guys. W's. Nice, nice. Very, very weak move though, guys. It's very disappointing. Okay. All that, guys, for nothing. Fuck. Okay, there she goes. There she goes. Come. Come. There we go. Okay, guys. I'm gonna secure some here, even more. Because the weak move.
How's it pushing? Come on.
My chart's frozen here.
No, it's flying.
What?
It's flying.
Really?
Yeah. Check it.
Can see. Okay, W's in the chat, guys. W's in the chat. I've got my other trade running here. It's not too bad. Not too bad. Not that bad, but yeah. Got about that still running. I'm gonna bank more here, guys. Bank more. Definitely gonna bank more. Guys, that was a good trade. I just want to make a, please, if you don't mind, drop them W's again in the chat. Not the biggest of trades. We caught NFP. I think that's about 1,000 pips now. But slow NFP week one, but we caught it nonetheless. There's all the W's coming through in the chat. It was smashed live on stream. Just a pity that NFP was a bit weak today, but we still banked nonetheless. Beautiful. Sorry, guys, that was a bit of an what do you call that? Epiclimax, anticlimax, where it wasn't, I didn't like fucking, and my chart didn't, on my broker didn't even do the spike. Huh? You didn't do it on HFM? On HFM, it definitely didn't, boss. Check it.
Oh, no, it didn't.
Look, it was fuck all.
Nothing.
But yeah, guys, if you're holding runners risk-free, I've got I think two or three runners open there. It's risk-free. We should still see, like I said, that previous high being taken. But beautiful, beautiful day. What a way to end the week, guys. We smashed it the whole week through. Whole week through. Guys, that's it from me. I'll see you guys on the next video.